Hello everyone, welcome to TDS Online Math. Alright, so let's provide a solution to this question. So solution. So we have x plus 7 raised to x equals to 51. Okay. Now by inspection, if I plug in 2 here, 2 plus 7 squared is 49 plus 2, that will be 51. But how do we solve this one, okay, without by inspection? Okay, so we are going to apply Lambert W function. Okay, so I'll send the x to my right, so I have 7 raised to x equals to 51 minus x. Okay, now let me divide both sides by 7 raised to x, so this side will cancel. And remember, 1 over a to the power n, the same as a to the power minus n. Alright, so I have 1 equals to 51 minus x times 7 raised to minus x. Alright, now let's observe something. Before we can go ahead, let's understand this, okay? Now, b, okay, times u raised to b is our target here. Now, before we can perform the Lambert W function, we should get something, okay, times e raised to the same thing here. Okay, so let's prepare the way for it as we make this side equal to this side. Now we have 51 minus x. Now let's make this side also 51 minus x. So what we are going to do here is to support this side by multiplying both sides by 7 raised to 51. So if I do that, this side will be 7 to the power 51 equals to 51 minus x. So we have 7 raised minus x times 7 raised to 51. Okay. Now when we're given a to the power x times a to the power y, it is the same as a to the power x plus y. So I'll add this since the bases are equal. So I have 51 minus x, so times 7 to the power, so 51, so plus minus x will be minus x. And this side will also bear the 51. Okay, now when we're given e raised to ln of, let's say, x, the answer is still x. Okay, now it will be easier to apply the Lambert W function if we apply e raised to ln of something here. So e raised to ln of p is p. Okay, now let's support this 7 here. Okay, so 7 raised to 51 minus x. Okay, so I will write the 7 as e raised to ln. So we have 7 raised to 51 minus x. Now remember, this one is a power rule. When we're given ln of, let's say, a raised to x, the answer becomes x ln of a. Okay, so e is raising that, so to behave like this. All right, so let's go ahead as we express this one. Okay, as per rule, so we have 7 raised to 51 equals to 51 minus x. So e, okay, so this side will be 51 minus x ln of 7. Okay. Now remember our rule. So e raised to box times that. So box. So what we have here must be equal to what is here so that we can perform the Lambert W function. So we have 51 minus x ln s7, but we have only 51 minus x. So something is missing here. So what we are going to do is to multiply both sides of the equation by ln of 7. So we have 7 raised to 51 ln of 7. So this side times ln of 7 will be 51 minus x ln of 7 e raised to 51 minus x ln of 7. Okay. All right. So let's take w function of this. So let me repeat it. So w function of 7 raised to 51 ln of 7 equals to w function. So 51 minus 7 ln of x ln 7 e raised to e raised to 51 minus x ln of 7. Okay, so we are taking w function. So remember I said w function of a box e raised to w function of a box e raised to box. The answer is box. Okay, so this and that, we have the answer is 51 minus x ln of 7, and we still have w function of 51 ln of 7. Okay, so can we adjust the left hand side so that we get rid of the w function here? Good. Now let's write 7 to the power 51 as, so 7 to the power 49 times 7 to the power 2 ln of 7 equals to 51 minus x ln of 7. Now let's support this. Okay, so I have w function of 7 squared ln of 7. So I'll take e raised to ln of 7 raised to 49 equals to 51 minus x ln of 7. Now all right, so this side will be, so 7 squared is 49 ln of 7, and we have this one as e raised to power 49 ln of 7. It's 51 minus x ln of 7. So we have this one got that, so 49 ln of 7 equals 51 minus x ln of 7. All right, so this one will cancel this. I'll be left with 49 equals 51 minus x. Therefore, x is the same as 51 minus 49. So x is 2. All right, so that's that.